I'm LaShawn Graves, one of the chefs here at Wiseacre Eatery. Today I'm going to show you a little red wine vinaigrette that I'm going to make with some garlic scapes that you get in your CSA packages every week. So I'm going to start with my ingredients here. I have some garlic scapes that I have pre-minced. That's about half of a cup of garlic scapes. I have some herbs here I also pre-minced. We have some parsley, oregano, and chive in here. Then I have my red wine vinegar. I have about 3/4 of a cup of that. That can go right into the bowl. And then to finish, I have 1.5 cups of olive oil. And as we go, I'm just going to go ahead and whisk this together to get that emulsion happening. It's not going to stay totally together. It's a semi-permanent emulsion, so it will break, and that's just fine. And as I'm whisking up here, I'm going to add a little pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. And it's all good to go. So I will take a little ladle of this and spin it over my greens. I have some lettuce and tomatoes and carrots and beets. And now I have a nice red wine vinaigrette salad. And there you go. Here. I hope you enjoy. And you should feel free to come on down to Wiseacre and try some of our great salads and great vegetables. We also, this week, we're going to be changing over a lot of our menu dishes for dinner service. So a lot of things will be in peak, a lot of cucumbers, a lot of spring vegetables that you're used to seeing. They'll be all on our menu soon. Come check us out.